You got one?
Yeah, didn't even know it.
Ah, come on.
Didn't even know it. This sucker deep. This sucker deep.
Got one.
You got one?
Mm-hmm.
Got one side.
Yep. Oh, look.
What?
He's puked up a fish he ate.
Oh. Boogie. Yep.
Groundhog hole.
Get one?
Oh.
Get it. Oh.
I got hung in grass, I think. Thanks.
What it done?
That stupid other rod's in the way. Well, I might as well just throw that right in the middle of the lake.
Fuzz up.
A few moments later.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
This ain't too scary, boss. It blows my mind. You can go right, we was right over in there and still caught one.
Put his eyeball out.
I hope not.
I did.
Just bring it out.
It poked it right there. He's blind.
It might grow back.
That's a good fish.
Reckon it'll grow back.
Maybe. Nah, it's bleeding pretty bad.
They sure are getting peeled though.
Got one finally?
Yep.
He acts pretty good too, bud. Oh.
But I tell you.
Oh, I threw back over in the freaking. Oh! It hit me right in the mouth.
Buddy. Don't mess with one.
That's a good one.
Small mouth.
Yeah. I think it would be so cool if smallmouth was in ponds, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I don't believe they can live in ponds. Do you?
I don't think so either.
God, it's the shells up there where I caught him. God damn it. Over the head. Turn the light, the motor off. I think he got in. Did he get in?
I don't see him. Nope. A decent one.
Yep. Thank you, Lord. It's one of them days. He's got his sack caught. That's why he's going, eh.
I wonder why he is doing that, no joke.
I don't know, they just
Something got him pissed off, probably.
seen something or something. Good.
Yeah, it's a fish.
That's so you want it.
Yep. At least I caught one. I ain't caught one in a while. Oh, up. Fish. Feet's getting hot in these crocs.
That is too. Oh God.
He was deep.
I don't know.
It's kind of dirty up in here where it rained.
Yep.
Got one?
Yeah.
Looks like a pretty good one, man.
I don't know how big he is, but he's a fighter.
That's a big bluegill.
Bluegills, what?
Oh, I got something too.
You got a good one. I see him.
Just stay down.
Thank you. I'll take you.
That's the fattest, longest one all day, I believe, from both of us.
I believe he is. Yeah, he's healthy.
It's a good bass.
Big bluegill. I'll take it. I like it. What about my line? No, I'll go stand up. I'll stand up. I'll fall right in there.
You lucky it wasn't a big one, all I got to say. Or you would have fell in there. We use them catfish bait.
I didn't know you had one.
I jerked about the time you stood up. I was like, he gonna fall in right here, but if it's a big one, it'd be worth it.
All right, it's big. It's one of them big ones. You got one? I've got a good one take to the house.
Guarantee you all up in here, there's a bunch. I wish I had a frog
I ain't got a frog.
in my frog rod. Got one?
Yep, bass.
Oh, he come off on you.
Yeah, about it. You got big one?
Yep, he come off. Turned that into a wacky rig, he did. I got some. Mm-hmm. They're little ones when they, oh God, yep, his eyeball's gone. Sorry, buddy. When they spin right around, when you catch them, you know they're not good. You can see them spinning in the water.
You got one? Good.
Oh.
Best one yet.
Mm-hmm.
Best one yet. That's a good pound.
Probably.
He's fat. Is that a big cheese? That's a fag.
Yeah, I believe it was on a nest over there.
That's a fag, don't you?
That's the best one of the day.
You do. Holy poppers, he was
That
ass.
was a good one.
Oh.
He's really light. He's got a light color.
You Kentucky.
I can't see. Does he got a patch on his tongue? I think he's a largie.
Think about an ultralight. No matter how big it is, they all feel big.
Mr. Twister, these are called.
With them. Mike and missed it.
Sexy.
He got mine.
That's a bass or a bluegill.
Is it?
I believe so.
Oh God.
Yep.
That's one. Big female. I guess it's a female. I don't see no birds. See no cod. I hate to be deep sea fishing. And my big fish get on the damn motor. Oh God. That's pretty good.
He stays down. I got a bunch of grass. Oh. It's a good bass.
That's pretty good.
Stand up again. Nobody make any sudden movements.
I promise you if I get a big one.
If you get a big one.
Look, dog.
What?
There's one went boop.
You got one?
I had one. It wasn't nothing to write home about.
I see a big bass over here.
What?
So we're just chilling. I believe he might be on the nest.
I'd say next week.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Was it on nest, you reckon?
It wasn't as big as I thought it was, but he was on the nest. He's just sitting there.
Yeah.
I see another one. No, it's a stick. Never mind. I thought it was a lot bigger.
Broke his axe.
Can't be no worse than mine right now. I gotta let mine inflate for a few minutes. It's nasty over in here.
Huh?
This pollen got looking nasty over in here.
It's no wine, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. What the shit?
That's a big dragonfly.
Oh, I did him bad, man.
What'd you do?
When I whipped that rod,
That cut his arm leg off.
no, it cut his ass off. Look. Look, Daddy.
You won't do that again in a lifetime.
Oh God, he's biting me. I didn't know they bite.
Yeah, they back.
Hit his butt when I jerked the rod. You got a fish? Oh my God. That's a good one. Oh, dang.
I don't believe these fish is hardly afraid of nothing, Tyler.
He was a good one too. That'd been your best one of the day, I believe.
There's his tail.
I left my freaking bug jug in the truck like an idiot. He ain't going nowhere. That assless wonder. Ah!
That's a good. Wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm. I don't know about you, but I'm about ready to call it quits anyways.
I'm calling it quits. My back's breaking.
Might make another cast up here around here. If I do, it'll be one more.